For example, let's say a fire happens in the environment, we're able to just analyze the data locally. This speeds up the time by using artificial intelligence that it takes for a fire to be recognized. We can take that picture, we can compress it locally, and we can send it over to our servers. And then from our servers, we can send that picture on to a lot of different stakeholders and make it available, for example, to fire responders so that they can get ready to respond. We can make it available to Bill so they can start filling his helicopter dip tanks. And we can make it available to the people on the ground so that you can get out of your home, so that you can be safe, and so your family can get out and actually have enough time to make sure that other people in your community are safe as well. And so you're able to help each other get out. That's something that today is not being done well enough. And we want to bring all of these stakeholders together using digital data and using artificial intelligence to make sure that you're warned quicker. We also want to scale to flooding, high wind events, and other natural disasters so that you get a warning when there's a real risk, and so that help can be brought over to you by enabling communications in areas that are normally difficult to reach. How do we do this? Well, we built a device which enables, as a communication platform as its core, it's secure data communication. And then we have optional cameras on board that can be added on to provide visual monitoring, both visible and thermal, of the location. And we can add a variety of chemical sensors on board of our unit. We can also cover wind speed and wind direction if it's needed. And since the platform is modular, there might be places where we simply want to use our communications and data analysis packages with existing platforms. We're able to extend to those via our smart AI, which is running on board into our device. And we can also use our connectors on board to extend to other applications like working with Bill. As an example, the same technology which is in our core package can be used to automate their tank, and Bill is going to tell us a little bit more about how that's impactful.
Yeah, so the helipod is groundbreaking in the fact that it's the kind of tank that actually automatically fills. So once it's connected to a water source, it will automatically fill either when commanded by the automated system and communications package, and or someone can then also activate it manually if they need it to do on site. The key thing with the helipod is that when the helicopter comes on scene, which a lot of times he's the first one, he can help keep the fire down to a manageable level to where the fire ground units can come in and now help finish putting out the flames in the fire. The other key thing is, how does it affect your lifestyle? So if the water source is close to the communities of the wildland urban interface, then it can do a couple of things. One, keep this fire small, but if you're keeping the fire small while the people are evacuating, we don't have situations that happen like in Northern California to where they didn't get any notice and a number of people got caught on the road and a number of them perished. So the faster that the AI system, like the Delphi system, can detect it, the faster then the helicopters can be dispatched, and the faster the ground units can be dispatched, and the quicker then the reverse 911 can notify the homeowners and the people who could potentially be in the path.